running the big power on the Balding Palms Railroad. Coming up next. Hey scalers, welcome to the channel. This is what this layout was built for originally and what it's all about. The joy of my grandchildren having fun on the railroad. Enjoy.
Coming around the corner. The green engine, right? And what does he have? What's he got?
I know.
What kind of car was that?
This?
Remember? Gondola.
Gondola.
Where are we going to go?
To that.
We're going to the ore mine, right?
What's the ore mine?
That's, well, the coal mine. We're going to drop that car off. Let's see, the other engine's waiting right there, so get ready to stop your train.
Stop.
I'll show you when. Okay, now let's turn it right here. Perfect. So now flip the switch.
He's waiting for me.
Okay, you got it? Okay, now we're going to change direction. Okay, turn the knob a little bit. Okay.
What's this do?
What? That's the horn.
What's this do?
Which one?
This.
Oh, that's the brake. So now you're going to stop it. Where are you going to stop it at? Underneath the coal factory, right?
He's good.
Oh, let's come in a little bit. Oh, we got to go this way. There we go.
That's to brake.
Yeah, so let's come in a little bit. Okay, and then we'll stop it right here. Now we're gonna do the switch. Watch, we're gonna unlatch it, right? And then we're gonna go the other way.
Look at that train.
All right, so now we're gonna back out. So back out until you get to the switch again.
That switch.
Yep. You can go a little faster if you want. Turn the red knob a little bit. The big red knob.
No, he's good. He's gonna fall right there.
No, I don't think he'll go that fast. But he's going nice and slow, huh? That's what big engines do, huh? When they drive real slow. Are you the engineer? You're the engineer? What's your name? Engineer Jack. Okay, now you can stop it because we cleared the switch. Okay, so stop your engine. Remember, turn the knob. We'll go direction. Flip the switch.
He's waiting for me.
Okay, flip the switch. Okay, what do you do when you head out? Honk the horn a couple times. Okay, turn the red knob.
What's that?
Oh, we're gonna let that fill up with coal. We'll come back in a couple days and pick it up.
Look, what
Pick up the car, because it'll be full. They gotta put coal in it. All right, so let's turn the knob. Let's head on and let's go back and get our boxcars.
Oh,
What?
that train.
Yeah. All right, let's go pick up the other cars, all right?
What car?
The ones at the station.
Oh.
All right, we'll stop there.
Where are you taking picture?
Just taking some video of the train. Oh, here comes the red one. Here comes the red one. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, ready to go?
Yes.
Okay. Horn twice.
Back?
Yep. One more. Okay, turn the red knob.
That way?
Yep, that way. There we go. Turn it some more. You can go a little faster on this train, so turn it some more. What's it doing?
It's cleaning the track.
Cleaning the track. Yep.
Off and put this on.
We want the track cleaning car in front so the track is clean for the engine.
Take this off and put it right here.
Why do you want it right there?
Yes.
We need the work tools in the front.
Those are right here.
Yeah, that's where the tools are at.
I can't see them. I can't see them.
It's pretend. Pretend they're inside. Honk the horn. Go. There you go. Good job.
Sammy, don't be nice.
Tell him it's a train.
Get him, Samson.